We'll demonstrate whipped running stitch. Before stitching, we need to first stitch a layer of running stitch as foundation, then can proceed with whipping. First, let's stitch a layer of running stitch. We start from right end of line. Come up at right of small segment. Then take down at left end of line. Pull thread, creating a small segment. Continue forward stitching. Come up at right of segment. Take down. Following running stitch method, stitch this entire section as foundation. Convenient for whipping later. Take down. Here for demonstration. I'll switch to another thread for whipping. This way will be more obvious. After stitching one layer of running stitch, first knot on back, then take another thread. Come up at right end of line. Thread upward from below first stitch. Note, when threading, only thread, not fabric. Cannot take needle into fabric below. Just thread directly under running stitch. Whip around it. Then return needle to below. Thread upward. Each time must return needle to below. Thread upward. This creates spiral thread texture. If this stitch threads from top downward, won't create spiral thread texture. Must ensure always threading same side. Each time return needle to below, then thread upward. Whipped running stitch perfect for line edging or outline tracing. Can create beautiful spiral curves. After stitching, take down at end of last running stitch, then knot on back. Let's see the finished effect.